Hello friends, this video on triangle and its properties part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now there is another interesting part of the Pythagoras theorem, and that is its converse. Now when we say that if we have any right angle triangle, h square should be equal to p square plus b square. Now the question is, if the Pythagoras theorem holds true, let's say if we have a triangle like the one which we see on the screen. I do not know whether it is a right angle triangle or not. But let's say that if we know that for this particular triangle, the square of one of its sides is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That means we do not know if it is right angle triangle or not, but we somehow see that the Pythagoras theorem holds true for this triangle. Does that mean that this would be a right angle triangle? So just the vice versa of what we had learned in Pythagoras theorem. So if the Pythagoras property holds true, that means the triangle must be a right angled triangle. That means, let's say if you have this triangle, let's say this triangle is ABC, and let us say we do not know whether it is a right angle triangle or not, but we know that for this particular triangle, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So this relation is true for this. If this relation is true for this triangle, that means triangle ABC is definitely a right angled triangle. So it must be a right angled triangle. So doesn't matter how the triangles are oriented. Now at many times, you are very easily able to identify the presence of a right angle. So it doesn't matter how it is oriented. But the moment the Pythagoras property holds true, that would prove by itself that the triangle is a right angled triangle. So let us even take one example. Let's say that you have this triangle where the dimensions are given as 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now you have to determine whether it is a right angle triangle or not. So what you do, you just see if 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So 5 square is 25 and this is 9 plus 16, which is 25. Now since this holds true, that means this is a right angled triangle. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.